Hello designers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Right, and in this video I'm going to explain what UI UX is all about. Okay, so that you don't get the two aspects confusing, or you don't think that one can actually do with the other, or stuff like that. So in this video we are going to explain everything that you need to know to start your UI UX design journey. So let's get started. Now first, what is US or what is UI design? Starting with US, we said that US stands for user experience design, right? And user experience design is all about how people feel when they interact with a product. Now, this product could be anything. It could be a website application or even something physical like your remote control. Now, these are the user experience. User experience means how you as a user feels when you use a particular product, whether you are satisfied, frustrated, your pain point while using a product, right? These are all user experiences. How you feel is all, it deals with emotions, feelings, and frustrations, pain points, stuff like that, right? Now, what about the other aspect, the UI design? Now, you say that UI is all about the visual aspect of the design, and they include such things like button, colors, typographies, and everything our user sees and interact with. All right, and here is the fun part: we cannot do without US or UI. We need both in our design, right? Now, let's make an example. Imagine you walk into a fine restaurant or into an event, right? And then the the waiter there, or maybe the receptionist there, maybe in a hotel, or it could be anybody, right? That's offering a service or rendering a service to you, something like that. And now, when you enter the place, find out that the whole place is well arranged. The cushion is stationed where it's supposed to be. The television is properly mounted, and everything is well arranged and neat. The tables, the chairs, and stuffs like that. All right, everything is neatly and well arranged. Now, but then the waitress or the receptionist was very rude to you, right? Now, the receptionist was very rude to you. So, you will not say that you've had a good experience based on that, right? You'll be frustrated based on how the receptionist or anybody there talked to you or attended to you. It could be the waitress or the receptionist, depending, maybe the security guard there, how rudely they react to you, right? Now, this is a bad experience. You are going to tell your friends about this experience that you have encountered, right? Regardless of whatever you may have seen, maybe you were able to understand that the tables and the hotel system, everything was neatly arranged and sparkling clean, stuff like that. Now, because of that bad user experience, that product, or we have labeled that particular hotel, for instance, as bad, right? It's also like that when we are creating digital products, right? So for us to have a good user experience, or for us to have a good design or a product, both the UI and the US must be present. We must have a neatly arranged UI and then a good user experience. That's when we talk about the user journeys and stuffs like that. All right. Now, one may ask, what are the differences between UI and a US? Now, let's talk about the differences. So when we talk about UX design, we say that UX design focuses on such aspects like the user journey, the prototype, user flows, and user research. While the UI design deals with elements in our design like buttons, colors, typography, layout, and structural aspects of the design. Also, the UX design focuses on the wireframes, that is the sketches, the functionality, the usability testing, the user research, US strategy, user stories, and user flows. Now, these are all key aspects of UX design. Then, when we talk about the UI design, we are talking about things like visual design, right? Like colors, prototyping, layout, iconography, typography, design systems. It deals on mostly on what we can touch or the visual aspect of the design. That's what we mean by the UI design, right? And then one may ask, which is more important between UI and UX design, right? Both UI and UX design are very, very important. We cannot do without anyone there, right? You say for product or design to be considered human centered, that means it must satisfy the needs of the users, meeting both the visual aspect and the experience aspect of the design. That means you must have a good structural design. That is, the search icon, for instance, or the search bar should be where it's supposed to be. The button is placed at strategic places where users can take action, and then the text are visible for readability purposes, and then stuff like that, hierarchy to show importance, and a whole lot of other things, right? And in our upcoming videos we'll dive into that, those aspects, and then we will get to understand more about UI and UX design. All right, so before we round up, we say that UX design focuses on such aspects like the user journey, prototypes, user flows, and user research, while UI design focuses on elements in our designs like button, colors, typography, layout, and every other structural aspect of the design. Right. So before the end of the video, please, I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click button to receive notifications when we drop new updates. All right. In our upcoming videos, we'll be talking more about other aspects of design, explaining why they matter, and then how to get on with UI UX design journey. All right. Thank you very much. Always remember to subscribe and click on the bell button for more updates. See you in the next video.